been working on a Chrome extension for the website playagricola.com. This is a window organizing tool. I think it's useful to have something that puts your windows back where you like them quickly and easily every time. So here I have a game already set up. I'm going to enter back into it. And then I will work back over to my extension button, and you can see there are a few options. There's an auto organize window button, which does not have a good organization, but should have them all visible. Then you can save or restore the positions for your preferred window layout. So for example, I will click restore 3P window positions here, and you can see this is how I like to have my 3P game laid out. But it will auto detect how many players. It supports 1 to 5 based on how many windows there are. Basically your hand, the game board, and the different farms plus the original homepage. And yeah, that's it. If you want to save a new layout, you could save, and then let's say I move it around, it would just restore it right back. So that's it. Feel free to comment on the GitHub if you have any issues or questions or features you'd like to have added. Thanks for watching.